coward!
Fires of Sodor! He's finally here! I'm Fireman Sam! Used to put them out!
Sam?
And another! Over and over again for all time!
Laugh away, Eagles. You may be strong.
You will never rule, and any power you may have had in this world is gone.
Total creative control.
Dear God.
Oh, bugger. Think you might be right there, lad. Hello up there, you shiny gits. Who in the literal hell dares show up in my domain without a cordial invitation?
We dare! The non-specific, generally positive deity of your choosing, who is diametrically opposed to your holy evil personification of a demonic archetype. We will not allow you to harm this mortal, who gave his life to save one who is pure of heart.
Okay, well, very nice to meet you, Mr. Shiny Trousers, and I really like the whole pure of heart role in general. But as we're kind of in the middle of things here, do you think I could just kill him a little bit more?
No! He made the ultimate sacrifice out of love in defiance of evil. You shall not lay a finger upon him!
Something, Nora! Right you are then, I promise I won't lay a finger on him.
Train drive with honor!
Sam, be a lamb, and melt his face off!
Righty-o!
Bar him not, foul male demon! For he is the champion of good! Rise, my holy warrior! Strike down the wicked one in my name! Whatever that is, according to your belief system. If you, have one. Anyway, rise!
Justice! Strength! Punctuality!
Love.
Wheels!
Horns.
Being nice!
What in the hell was that, Tom? I mean, I'm standing here with my little red bollocks in the wind, and I'm embarrassed for you.
All that matters now is that I have the power to stop you once and for all! Though, yes, it was a bit embarrassing.
Embarrassing? Why, you ungrateful little prick!
No! Sorry, I didn't mean it like that! It's really cool! Thank you, God?
Too late! We're not going to hang around and be insulted! We're out to go create new life! Traverse the cosmos infinite, or watch people have sex for a bit! We can do anything, you know! Bye!
Well, hello down there!
Any last words? One more dreadful pun for the road?
Oh, I'm done with the puns. You put me through hell. And now I'm going to rip you into pieces and feed you to my cackle demon.
Big words from a dead man! I wonder what hell's hell is like. Send me a postcard when you get there!
You'll have to forgive me if I forget.
I knew you weren't done with those sodding puns! What was that, like 2 seconds?
Try my Hadouken!
Pretty. You're no match for me. Get over yourself.
Why don't you get over here? Huh?
Bloody cute!
Face it, goat ass. With my heavenly form, enchanted weapons, and magical steed, You don't stand a chance!
Wings don't scare me, Glitterpants. Neither does that tacky sword or your little rainbow donkey.
I'm a unicorn, you mean postman!
Please stop butting in, Purse. I've got this.
Butting in? Oh, that reminds me. What's made of jagged brimstone, totally within my psychic control, and right underneath your caboose?
What the hell?
Exactly!
You see, that divine dickhead may have made you strong enough to beat me in a fair fight, but I'm the frickin' devil, mate, and I don't fight back!